Hi guys, Lyndon here. I'm back again with another giveaway. This time it's a really exciting giveaway, I promise. And it's not just exciting for you, my fans and followers, but it's also quite exciting for me because if you remember last year, I announced that I was going to build a replica of BasilBike and I was going to raffle it in 2021. Well, unfortunately, due to one thing or another, I didn't get the bike finished. That's why it didn't happen. But the bike is 75% complete and it is going to happen in 2022. There is going to be a raffle of an exact replica of BasilBike, same colour, same spec, everything. Really high value prize. There's also going to be some really cool stuff coming out of that raffle, which I'm excited to launch in 2022. You're going to hear all about it. It'll be on my social media, so don't worry. But this is a giveaway for the naming of that bike. So the naming of the brother or sister, could be a sister, the sibling of BasilBike, which I'm going to give away in that raffle. What would you like it to be called? What do you think it should be called and why? Get your comments in the comments below. It's going to take a little bit longer than usual, I'm sure, because there's going to be lots of comments, but I'm going to give away this t-shirt. Remember the BasilBike t-shirt? This is the BasilBike t-shirt. I'm also going to give you a Team Races to Places polo shirt, and I'm going to give you a Positivity shirt, and I'm going to give you some Lyndon Poskett merchandise, a little bit of Motorex merchandise, and lots of stickers and stuff. And the lucky winner is going to get that whole package shipped to them wherever they are in the world. It's open to everybody. So what would you like to see the sibling of BasilBike called that I'm going to give away in 2022 in the raffle? That's the competition now to win all this swag. I'm really looking forward to receiving your comments, and I'm also looking forward to the raffle. It's going to be epic. So I'm looking forward to finishing the bike and showing it to you all. It's like a brand new BasilBike. It's going to be exciting and I can't wait to get it all out there this year. Still a lot of work to go, but I will make it happen. So let's get it on and get it a name. Let's give it a name and let's see what you've got. Cheers guys and good luck.